Hello, hi. So I'm back with a quick pasta recipe. If you're new to this channel, please like, share, subscribe. Okay, so I'll quickly tell the ingredients. You need capsicum, soya sauce, chili sauce, 2 tablespoons maida, 1 cup milk, 1 spoon of mayo, and pasta. I'm using elbow pasta here, or what we call macaroni. So at first I poured in 1 spoon of oil and added chopped capsicum into it and give it a stir. Make sure the flame is pretty low. Now add in some salt into it. Well, you can add in more vegetables like carrot, beans. Now for the sauce, I have actually added red chili sauce plus soya sauce together and I poured it into the kadai. Now take this capsicum out. For the basic white sauce, I am using 1 spoon of oil, added some maida into it, then gave it a nice mix so that no lumps are formed. Now added 1 cup of milk. Now I am adding in 1 spoon of veg mayonnaise. It's actually up to you if you really want to use it or not. Then give it a good mix. Use a whisk if you can. Now whisk, whisk, whisk. Whisk it till you get the consistency you want. Make sure that the flame is low. Now I'm adding in some pepper powder. Now I'm adding in the pasta which was already boiled with some salt and oil into it for like 7 to 8 minutes. Give it a very good mix first. Add in some salt after tasting it if the salt is less. Now add in the vegetables that we had actually stir-fried. So now that we are almost done, you can add in some oreganos, chili flakes, whatever you like, and maybe some grated cheese as well. Hope you like this and surely give it a try.